Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel MomGudy Days. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. This is going to be a no foundation, natural looking kind of a makeup. So how I achieved this, I'm going to tell you, so keep watching because I'm also going to give you some really nice tips as well. So let's get started. Alright, let's begin. I've just applied a lipstick. Just going with the Express primer from MAC. Let me give it some time. Moisturizer from Clinique. It's very important to moisturize your face before you start anything. Skincare is equally important when you're doing makeup, so I am putting it all over my face, even under the eyes. It's going to be like a no foundation makeup, so I'm going to make it look like as natural as possible. So now let's start with the primer. I have spoken about my favorite products in the makeup in another video. If you haven't watched, please go check it out. So I'm just going to apply it over a few regions like my eyes over here, and then wherever I have some pores. You don't have to apply a lot of primer. Putting it over here because I just want the eyeshadow which I'm going to use today to glide it nicely. And let's move on to the BB cream. So this BB cream is from Nykaa. I prefer to put foundation with the help of either brush or blender, but BB cream I find it better with hands. So I'm just going to put at the back of my hand. Little is enough, very little of it. So I'm just going to keep it, and then with the help of my finger I'm just going to drag it. And you don't have to put really too much, just dot it around your face and then build it up. And I think that's the best way. It might make your skin look cakey. It doesn't look as if you have put a lot of makeup on, but it gives you that natural skin-like feeling. It should look like your second skin. Okay, I'm just dabbing it all across my face. You can see how beautifully it is blended. I really love this BB cream. I've tried Garnier also, and Pond's I did not like it at all. I don't know, it was giving a very cakey kind of a look. No matter how much I try to use a little amount, it actually gives a really cakey kind of look. And then I've tried Garnier. Garnier is actually good, but after some time it makes the skin look a little darker. It oxidizes. But this Nykaa BB cream is so good. It mostly looks like your skin, but just with that nice glow, giving you a little coverage. This is pretty much what you need for the base. But if you think you're you have some acne marks that needs to be covered, in that case you can go ahead and use a concealer. I'll just quickly show you how you can do that. I have a small tiny mark over here, and yeah, I'm just gonna put a little. Okay, now it's looking like a patch, so all you have to do is just dab the outer region, not the inner region. Don't touch the region where you have that mark, just the outer region, such that it just blends into your skin. Okay, so you see that magically it goes off, and it's so beautiful. You don't even get to know that something is applied over there. Okay, the compact which I'm going to use here is from the Sugar, and it's called Dream Compact. It's such a beautiful shade. It also comes with a buff, so I'm going to use that buff. For combination skin people, there are some regions which needs to be set, like the T-zone. So in that case, you can just set it in that particular region alone, and that will be pretty much enough. Go ahead and take your powder brush and just remove the excess, and it looks perfect. My very favorite, this is all you need, eyeshadow palette from Tan Beauty. Actually keep it a little in the pink shade, this one, this particular shade, which is called the Bed of Roses. And then I'm going to put it all over my shadow. You can see how beautiful, I told you how beautiful and pigmented it is. There is an invisible line between this corner and this corner. You should not go beyond this, that doesn't look good. So you can just keep it till here. Is you have to use a darker shade in the outer corner of your eyes and a very lighter shade in the inner corner of your eye. Defines your eyes and looks beautiful. Fine at knot and just putting it over here. I'm just going to keep it over here. So can you see that how beautiful it's come out? Is I'm going to take this cast a spell here, any highlighter also you can take, and then I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes. Like this. You see that how beautifully it's making the eyes look. You can stop it over here for a natural look, but when it comes to camera I have to do a little more for that to be visible. So whatever I'm showing, you don't have to do so much also. You just have to pick a little and put it and it's gonna look really good. Just to give that nut. See that? Wow, I really love this look. Okay, now what we are going to do is, now we'll move the kohl. I'm using sugar. And quickly before it gets absorbed. So now I've completed on both the eyes. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to pull it a little this side, just to give that nice edgy look. I keep my eyes open actually whenever I do this. You see that nice fuller look on one eye. Now I have put the eyeliner on both ends. Now I'll go ahead with the mascara and I'm going to use lash curl over here. Put some blush now to give that nice flesh kind of a look, okay? I'm using my hands over here. Let's put on some lipsticks. Look. So here's the final look. Looks like something is missing. Ta-da! So this is the final look. Hope you all liked it. So hope you all liked the video. If so, please do comment in the comment section. If not, at least give me a thumbs up so that I'll get to know like what kind of content you are liking and what kind of content I have to do more on my channel. With that, it's a wrap and see you all in the next video. Until then, take care, see ya, stay at home and cherish every moment of your motherhood.